don't mind that box. Inezinto ezibalulekile and yo ndiyonqena bendiyiphatha ibox ngondidiniwe guys. Guys, can you see me? Just blink twice if you can. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another day on this vlog. It's a day after my birthday. So yo being a graduate, Sada. Yeah. So that's my birthday vlog, guys. But I wanted to show you something. So I got another package from Glut, a PR package from Glut. Ndivulile because exactly singadoni and ndivulile haibo the pills again was easy. And what's funny is that they sent me this again and the flat tummy tea. I think on my last review for Glut products, I did a comparison between these two products and they were like, okay, we are going to send you these products again. Why? Yeah? Give me something else. Give me the booty. I mean, okay, I have a booty. But can you just give me something else? Like, give me a booty so that we can test drive, you know? Because we already know these products, they work. We already know that they work. They do, guys. And yeah. Regards to the tea, like, oh, I love it so much. I know I said the pills would, okay, I'm going to try to close this. I know I said the pills work whatever faster or better, but okay, after 2 weeks, my 2 weeks challenge, oh, I started seeing the results. Shame. Also, these products, guys, they really do work, I'm telling you, but you just need to be consistent. Yeah, but if you exercise, be consistent. If you're eating clean, just be consistent. And when you start seeing the results, don't stop. You can stop using the product, but just continue eating clean, continue exercising, which is something that I didn't do. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I feel like also with me knowing that there are products that work. But this whole part is here. You guys, I think you already saw my flowers, and also I got this from my little bestie. Did he get it yesterday? Oh, I just wanna rollie with a dapper. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna be your watch go. Yo, I'm so grateful. Thank you. You know yourself. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Alu. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new, then you know what to do, baby. So yeah, I have opened another vlog because I just realized this is a continuation from my birthday vlog, but I just realized that the video is already long because I've already put the clips together to edit and it's very long, so I don't want to bore people. Like I don't think I am at a point yet where I can do like long videos like 30 minutes, you know, and above. So yeah, I'm going to be shooting for Glut because they sent me a package, and now I just did a bit of work. It's a Friday, it's still morning, but now it's after 12. So I'm going to take a shower and try to install my wig, you know. Yeah, I refreshed my wig lines. So I'm going to take a shower, install a wig, and shoot, you know, shoot for Glut. Try to edit that fast, you know, and post it. Please do engage. Please, if you haven't seen the video, please do engage. And yeah, and then after that I continue with my birthday activities. You guys will see what I get up into. So let's do this week. Also, my first can igloo is on the lace because I never really removed igloo lace. I just only removed the glue on my scalp. And this week the first person who installed it, like they opened the middle part start. So I want to try something else. I did try that on my birthday, but it was only 2 minutes. So now I have all the time in the world. I just try to put something up. So move fast and you know what you want. This sound doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, sign up what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it's felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a day, only like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. I just sound good what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want. That you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. Oh, that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. I know I need to clean the lace. Like I need to make sure that I clean the because what's here, what you see here is the glue that I didn't clean. Hence, otherwise, can you imagine if the lace was clean? Can you just imagine? Just imagine for now. I'm going to do it next time and you guys will be here. So at least it's safe to say I can install my hair. I'm busy shooting here for good. They sent me this glut, tummy toner, and the tea. So yeah, basically like wrapping up the shooting, and then I'm going to be done, and then I'll try to edit and schedule it to go live. And yeah, and then go off to the activities. So this is my OOTD. You're not gonna see me properly. I'm out now. I'm gonna be catching a train, but I'm already late for the next train. I'm probably gonna catch the 4 o'clock one. So, late. Do you guys know this? I'm plugging you. Okay. Guys, I'm so late. I never done the inside. The name is Honey, but I'm done. Let's go. Let's go. here to fetch my smoothie. But Yambela is Mahala. Yambela is Mahala. And I'm so tired because that other Kauai Bali. No.
You knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, ain't no last dance. We passed it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My all the time change.
Guys, so this is me. I'm all dressed up in all black, me. And I'm ready to go to town to, you know, restock some veggies. As some of you guys may know, I work from home, so I'm always inside the house. So this was like also an opportunity for me to get out, you know, just being struck by the sun and, you know, just getting some air. And then my partner just shows up out of nowhere. Like saying, I'm all dressed up like I'm going to stock these veggies. And then my partner just shows up like out of nowhere. And he's like, where are you going? To Tebana and Dio Data? I'm catching the next train, like in the Pumango. I'm catching the next train. I'm going to town to restock veggies. And he's like, you do realize that it's not going to be safe for you when you come back, right? I mean, of course it's not, because it's winter. Obviously I was gonna bother him. I'm like, yeah. And he's like, okay. He drops off his work bag, I copy cash, and then because I'm all dressed up and going there. You might as well just undress. Yeah. And just like that, my trip was cut off. Shower hot yes. Jonga outfit of the day, all black me. Bodysuit at black. I'm wearing black shoes. All black Mimi. Anyways, so guys, this is the end of this vlog. If you really enjoyed this vlog, even if you did not, but don't forget, give it a huge thumbs up and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Even if you don't know what to say, just drop a heart. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.